YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make a CraftBukkit server for Windows. So first, open up a new folder on your desktop, call it anything. I'm calling mine Bukkit Server. There we go. And just drag it up anywhere. Now open up your internet browser, it could be Google, Bing, Firefox, whatever. Right up here or in here, type in Bukkit, B-U-K-K-I-T. If you're typing it in a www bar, it's .org, so bukkit.org. When you're here, just click the Bukkit forums. And right under the sign up now, there's a recommended build. What you want to do is download the latest recommended build here. So you just click that, and you download it. Now just minimize that, because you're going to need to take that out. If there isn't anything there, because they are updating Bukkit, what you can do in this bar up here, go to ci.bukkit.org, and when it comes up, there's 5 options here. Click the one that's in the middle. Then under build history, click at the very top, that's the most recent, and download this snapshot jar right here. So just I of course have there's a recommended build for me, so I will not download this. Also, if my mouse or computer ever acts up, sorry, it's just I've got a really crappy computer. See, you can kind of see my mouse right now. Anyway, so now once it's done downloading, just drag it right on into there and delete that. Alright, now go to your Notepad and just type this code. It will be in the description. And right here, this craftbukkit, not the dot or the .jar, just highlight that. Then go back to here, right-click what you downloaded, and click rename. Now do Control-C, that'll copy that name, and you can just click away, so it doesn't rename, because that will mess it up. Now come back here, I guess my computer didn't want to have it. Anyways, highlight that again, and do Control-V. That'll put this name there so that this will work. Now we can just save this. Now save this as anything, just have .bat at the end, and save this as in all files, or a batch file if you have it, just don't save it as a text document. So save it in there. And you can X off Notepad. Now double click your start.bat or run.bat, whatever it is, and when it says info done right here, you can just type in stop and stop, and when it says this certain thing, sorry, it will say press any key, just press any key. Now go to your server properties. Now in here there's a whole bunch of stuff. So what I'm just gonna talk about. Allow nether, that would be the nether world. You don't want it, change this to false. Level name, leave this as world. This is for if you want to change your worlds to a single player. I will have another video showing how to do that. Enable query, it's too advanced, I don't even know what it does. Allow flight, this will allow any user who joins your server to fly. Server port, leave this as 25565 unless you have a server. Change it to 25564 or 25563. Just, yeah. Level type, just change it to whatever. I have default and super flat. In more future versions, there might be some other things like 4th version or something, I don't know. Enable Archon, leave this as false. Level seed, this will be the seed for your world. So let's say you want the seed to be 987654321, then type that in there, and that's what the seed will be when you start the backup. Server IP, I'll talk about this later. You are going to end up leaving it blank though. Spawn NPCs, this will be villages. Waitlist, true or false. If you only want certain people to join your server, turn this to true. If you don't care who joins, change it to false. If you change this to true so only certain people can join, then you want to go into here and type in their names. Then only those people can join. Spawn animals, this will be cows, pigs. You want them to come, leave this as true. Online mode, leave this as true, otherwise hackers can join and screw up your server. PvP, if you want people to hit each other and when they hit them cause damage, leave this as true. If you don't want them to hurt each other, then leave this as false. Difficulty, 0 or 1. 0 is survival, 1 is creative. Or no, 0 to 3 for difficulty, 3 being the hardest, 0 being the easiest. Game mode is 0 or 1. 1 being creative, 0 being survival. Max players, unless you keep getting up to 20 people and more people are trying to join, leave this as 20, otherwise you're going to get more lag. Spawn monsters, skeletons, zombies. If you want them to join, then leave this as true. Generate structures, caves, NPCs, blah blah blah. V-distance, leave it at 10. MOTD, just leave it at Minecraft server, I guess. Save changes. Alright, now what you want to do is go to your internet. Actually, I have it up. And right up here, type in www.ipchicken.com, and it'll bring you this page. This is the address that people are going to use to connect to your server, so remember that or write it down or whatever. Now go to www.portforward.com. Again, all of these websites will be in the description. So now what you can do is scroll down, find your router and the version. If you don't know what it is, then it will be on the sticker that's on the bottom of your router box. If you can't find your router box, or for some reason nobody knows where it is, when I show you how to get to the port forwarding page, it will tell you on there. So now go all the way down to the M's and go to Minecraft server. It's right in the middle of the M's. And this will tell you how to port forward a Minecraft server. Now, to get to this page, you want to go up here. Actually, go into your start, run, search, whatever. Type in CMD. It will bring up this page. Now type in ipconfig, ipconfig. It'll bring up lots of stuff. Again, my computer is so messed up, it's not even funny. So I've only got like these 5 things here. So now look at your default gateway. This is what you're going to type in to here. So just type that in. Mine's right here. So now if you cannot find out which version you have or what type, right up here it tells you what type you have, and right here for TELUS anyways, it'll tell you what version you have. So it might be in different places for others, but I don't know. But now you probably will need this, because you will need your username and password. It will be on the bottom of your router box. If you have no idea, like you can't find it, there's 2 options. Either it's going to be admin and password, username, password, stuff like that, or you're screwed. Now just type in 25564. I have a server, so I'm doing 25564. So yeah, do 25565. Now go back to your CMD, and your IPv4 address will be in there. So just type that in. Actually, you know what? I won't do this because I have it already up here. So if you don't have a both option in here, you have to do this twice. So you got to do a TCP once and a UDP the next. If you can do both, then change that to both. Now you can get off the internet and go to your control panel. Go to Network and Internet Connections, Network Connections, and find your area connection that's connected to your internet. I only have one. And if you don't know which it is, just disable it by right-clicking. If your internet's still up, then that's not it. Now go to Internet and Protocol right here and click Properties. Now click Use the following IP address and use the following DNS servers. So in your CMD, it will have an IP address. You type that into there. It's 1 number off at the end from your IPv4. Subnet mask, you'll do the own default gateway, type that in. There's going to be some DNS servers in here. I know mine. If it isn't in there, do /ipconfig /all, and then it will be in there, and so mine's right in here. So you enter that in. Now you can X off that. Now click on Advanced, and right here, click Add, and then you just type in what your address was at ipchicken, and again, this will just put in its own thing. So now you're done. You can go back to this page, close down everything. This is not part of this. And you can start up your server. And when it says done, it will be up. I am running out of time because I'm limited on time for this. So I can only go to 10 minutes. Anyways, yeah, now just go to Minecraft, then multiplayer, then add a server. And type in the address from ipchicken, and you're done. So, thanks for watching.